Maraming salamat sa Diyos. Pagkamat fiscally challenging ang Maynila, due to the trust and confidence of the taxpayers of the city of Manila, all the challenges in between ay patuloy na ipinagkakatiwala ang pananalapi o mga hard-earned money ng mga mamamayan sa pamahalaan ng Luzon. And with our commitment that we're going to spend it efficiently, diligently, and effectively. Kaya po tayo kahit paano yung 4 na taon na road to recovery natin as of December 31 based on projection of what you call the numbers guide na tinutulungan tayo paano curve, i-maneuver yung ating fiscal challenges or what you call PYOs. At mas madalit masalita, si Judith ba? Laging kami binibisita sa sekretary ni Judith. Judith. Na 3 years we can recover. Having said that, one of the major problems of one of our facility located in Tondo, healthcare facility in Tondo, one, it's old, two, it's lack of space because population continue to grow and demands of services continue to rise. Medyo nagiging challenging na yung hospital ng Tondo. Kaya si Director Edwin Perez, talaga sabi ko sa kanya, maghanap kayo ng lote. Baka pasakali, kahit bibig tayo, sa pangarap man lang, makita natin yung pangarap natin. But this is just moving on. We cannot just wait for money to come and plan. Let the money will come later. We must plan and implement. Ganun lagi ang attitude. Hindi po pwedeng mauuna ang karetela sa kabayo. Kailangan kabayo lagi para mahila ang karetela. At mahihatid ang ating mga pasahero, which is mamamayan ng Manila, tungo sa maayos na pangalanan. Having said that, one afternoon, Attorney Chris Fernandez saw an opportunity and went to PMO, mga taga-Maynila, mga taga-Maynila, mga taga-PMO. Mga taga-PMO yan. Sila po ang may tangan-tangan ng mga property and some assets, some properties and some assets under them, owned by the state. Yung pag-aari ng Estado. With their good heart, napapayagan tayo to acquire yung property sa bansa. Kaya lamang, siyempre, sila po ay under sa opisina ni Secretary Go. What you call, mas kilala natin, Frederick. Ito po ay DOF, Department of Finance. Through the initiative of the good secretary and the head of PMO, a composition, para lang na malaman niya, hindi ko ganun katalin talaga ito ang mga pangyayari dito. Ito yung resulta na lang ngayong araw na ito. Maraming hands on deck na nangyari dito. Meron po yung board composition of different agencies of government. And we are very grateful, that's why I said, salamat sa Diyos, na-aprobahan po yung ating request na bibili natin yung lote. Ang Maynila, bumili ng lote na pag-aari ng Estado. So, para sa kapakanan ng mga taxpayer, nasa isang katawan pa rin yung pera. Dalawa lang ang bulsa. Yung bulsa ng lokal, bumunot, inilipat sa bulsa ng nasyonal. So, it's the same money, in the same basket. And one way or another, the fruits of this event, magagamit ulit ng taxpayer naman on other purposes being done and conducted by the Bureau or Department of Finance. So that's why I have to give it to the PMO family para kuha natin sila ulit. To the board, alam ko secretary ko, at especially si Atty. Chris. Saan na si Chris? Ayun, si Chris Fernandez. Ano dyan? Kaya, Edwin, congratulations. Director Padilla, from more or less 500 square meter of healthcare facility, shout out sa lahat ng mga taga-District 2 ng Manila. In the coming days, weeks, few months, we will submit to the public itong ating itatatag na 7-story hospital ng Tondo sa District 2. 350% larger from its original place. Kaya para sa mga taga-Tondo, matagal na sila nagsakripisyo. Now, I have to also give credit where it's due. Itong ibabayad natin ay pera at taxpayer ng City of Manila. And the seed money to build naman, the seed money to build the facility for our people. Kung maalala nyo kako, nasa Malacanang kami, no? Kung maalala nyo, nasa Malacanang kami lahat. Lahat ng mayor at governor, municipal and city, and highly urbanized. Because of the new program of the President, or what you call Bawat Bayan Makikinabang, under the PAL group, or Financial Assistance to Local Government Unit. And the item to be drawn, or the cash, the allotment, kung saan siya dudugdugan, kukuhanan, ayun po yung mas kilalang LGSF, or Local Government Support Fund. This fund from 11 billion, si Secretary ko, para malaman nyo rin, is part of the inner group in preparing the budget. At yan po, from 11 billion, rose to 400%. So yung mga iskandalo do sa flood control ng DPWH, kinahoy nila. Ibig sabihin, nagdidisiplina ngayon sa budgeting sa DP at ibinigay nila empowering local government unit, provincial level, and municipal and city. So, rest assured, pagkabili natin, siyempre, namuuna na tayo. Yung puhunan naman, kapatayo, yung seed money, makukuha naman natin. Kasi yun ang isinabmit kong project. Katulad ng sinabmit kong project, kay Presidente na magtatayo tayo ng pamantasan lungsod ng Manila College of Medicine, puhunan tayong 500, si Presidente namuhunan ng 500, naghalong pera. So, yung una natin, MMDA, pera, local government, pera, naghalo, ayun yung PEC part at senior citizen part. Ngayon, this is the start of the long journey of PMO, DOF, City of Manila, LGSF. Kaya, may awan Diyos, pumanatag kayo, hopefully maging available si Presidente, will invite him to the groundbreaking of near future brand new hospital ng Tondo. Thank you very much for your wisdom. To the PMO family, thank you very much for your effort. We're happy to be of service to unclog one of your NPAs, or what you call non-performing asset. And I do believe the fruits of the exchange of funds will be utilized by our both national level and local level. Rest assured, Mr. Secretary, bumuti po kami. Hindi po namin ipagpapariwara itong pagkakataon binigay niyo sa amin para sa mga katalusan. We will make sure we will deliver. Thank you very much and welcome to the city of Manila.